Hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about the keyboard. Here are some things we'll be learning in this tutorial. Introduction. 1. What is the keyboard and how do we use it? 2. How are the keys organized on a standard keyboard? 3. Typing and editing the text using the keyboard. The keyboard definition. External input device used to type data into some sort of computer system, whether it be a mobile device, a personal computer, or another electronic machine. A keyboard usually includes alphabetic, numerical, and common symbols used in everyday transcription. Keyboards for personal computers are connected to the machine through serial or USB plugs. Whether it is used for typing text or controlling your computer, the keyboard can help you by making your work more efficiently, using keyboard commands, shortcuts. How the keys are organized on a standard keyboard. The keys on your keyboard can be divided into several groups based on their functions. Typing alphanumeric keys. These keys include the letter, number, punctuation, and symbol keys that we use mostly in our daily life. Control keys. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. The most frequently used control keys are Control, Alt, the Windows logo key, and ESC. Function keys. The function keys are used to perform specific tasks. They are labeled as F1, F2, F3, and so on, up to F12. The functionality of these keys differs from program to program. Navigation keys. These keys are used for navigate in a long window pane, such as documents or web pages, and editing text. They include the arrow keys, home, and page up, page down, delete, and insert. Numeric keypad. The numeric keypad is handy for entering numbers quickly. The keys are grouped together in a block like a conventional calculator or an adding machine. Typing and editing the text using keyboard. Whenever you need to type something in a program, email message, or text box, typing keys of a keyboard are used. You can move the cursor by clicking in the desired location with the mouse or by using the navigation keys present on the keyboard. In addition to letters, numerals, punctuation marks, and symbols, the typing keys also include Shift, Caps Lock, Tab, Enter, the space bar, and backspace keys. Key name: how to use it. Shift. Press Shift in combination with a letter to type an uppercase letter. Press Shift in combination with another key to type the symbol shown on the upper part of that key. Caps Lock. Press Caps Lock once to type all letters as uppercase. Press Caps Lock again to turn this function off. Your keyboard might have a light indicating whether Caps Lock is on. Tab. Press Tab to move the cursor several spaces forward. You can also press Tab to move to the next text box on a form. Enter. Press Enter to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. In a dialog box, press Enter to select the highlighted button. Spacebar. Press the spacebar to move the cursor one space forward. Backspace. Press backspace to delete the character before the cursor or the selected text. Shortcut keys ABCs. Shortcut keys help provide an easier and usually quicker method of navigating and executing commands in computer software programs. Shortcut keys are commonly accessed by using the Alt key on IBM-compatible computers, Command key on Apple computers, Control key, or Shift key in conjunction with another key. The de facto standard for listing a shortcut is listing the modifier key, a plus symbol, and another key. In other words, Control plus S is telling you to press and hold the Control key, and then press the S key too. File menu with underlined shortcut letters. You can also find the shortcut keys to their most popular program by looking for underlined letters in their menus. For example, the image to the right has an underline on the F in file, which means you can press the Alt key and then the F key to access the file menu. Some programs require the user to press and hold Alt to see the underlined characters. Some common features, such as Open, Ctrl+O, and Save, Ctrl+S, have shortcut keys assigned to them. As you begin to memorize shortcut keys, you'll notice that many applications share the same shortcut keys. We have a list of the most commonly shared ones in the Basic PC Shortcut Keys section. Basic PC Shortcut Keys. Below is a list of some of the most commonly used basic shortcut keys that work with almost all IBM-compatible computers and software programs. It is highly recommended that all users keep a good reference of these shortcut keys or try to memorize them. Doing so will dramatically increase your productivity. Shortcut keys description. Alt+F file menu options in current program. Alt+E edit options in current program. Alt+Tab switch between open programs. F1 universal help in almost every Windows program. F2 rename a selected file. F5 refresh the current program window. Ctrl+N create a new, blank document in some software programs. Ctrl+O open a file in current software program. Ctrl+A select all text. Ctrl+B change selected text to be bold. Ctrl+I change selected text to be in italics. Ctrl+U change selected text to be underlined. Ctrl+F open find window for current document or window. Ctrl+S save current document file. Ctrl+X cut selected item. Shift+Del cut selected item. Ctrl+C copy selected item. Ctrl+Ins copy selected item. Ctrl+V paste. Shift+Ins paste. Ctrl+K insert hyperlink for selected text. Ctrl+P print the current page or document. Home goes to beginning of current line. Ctrl+Home goes to beginning of document. End goes to end of current line. Ctrl+End goes to end of document. Shift+Home highlights from current position to beginning of line. Shift+End highlights from current position to end of line. Ctrl+Left arrow moves one word to the left at a time. Ctrl+Right arrow moves one word to the right at a time. Ctrl+ESC opens the Start menu. Ctrl+Shift+ESC opens Windows Task Manager. Alt+F4 close the currently active program. Alt+Enter open the properties for the selected item, file, folder, shortcut, etc.